it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be showing you guys how I get ready for work. I'm pretty tired in the beginning of this video, so I'm really sorry, but yeah, I thought I'd just do a vlog style video and kind of just did some more practice doing it because I did a vlog in my last video, and yeah, I kind of just like wanted to get used to that style of video because, you know, I already know, like, I got it down pretty much, like just sitting in front of my camera and stuff and my setup. So I figured, you know what, I'm gonna learn this summer and I'm gonna learn how to vlog. So yeah, bear with me. Bear with me. Yes, okay. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, guys. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up and let's just get into it because I'm hungry and I really want to eat my food. Okay. Morning, guys. So I just woke up and I'm gonna get ready with you guys fast for work. It's my first day. This is just sunscreen. Just I'm excited about sunscreen. But didn't sleep very well last night. I don't know if it was because I was like anxious about it or what, but I just did not sleep good. And I feel like whenever we have something important the next day, we always stress ourselves out about sleep. And also you get stressed like when you're not falling asleep. You're like, now I'm only gonna have this many hours of sleep. Now I'm only gonna have this many hours of sleep. So yeah, right now I'm just using my LA Girl Pro Coverage HD High Definition Illuminating Foundation. I'm just gonna put everything down below because I'm in a rush. It's brand new and I've never worn it before and I have no idea if I liked it or not, but we're gonna go with it. Oh, I like this. Foundation's really pretty. I just got it at Ulta. Guys, I'm so sorry in advance for my voice. I'm so tired. It's 7. I used to wake up a lot earlier for work, but I've gotten weak. Also, for new makeup products, I finally went and got Tarte Shape Tape. Guys, I'm so sorry about my hair. I don't even know what's going on here. And I got this in light neutral. I think this should be a good color for me. I don't know if you guys have been experiencing the same thing, but I've literally had the worst allergies, especially in my eyes. And you guys know I get styes very badly, so I've been like a nervous wreck that I'm gonna get a sty. Hopefully I don't, because that would be terrible. That's why I'm not putting this on my eyelids, because like if I put makeup on my eyelids, sometimes like my eyelids, like they'll get clogged. I don't know how to explain it, but like your pores get clogged, so I'm just not gonna put anything on my eyelids today just because I am a nervous wreck about getting a sty. Now I'm just going to set this in place with my MAC powder. I don't know if you guys are like starting any summer jobs yet. I know some people are not even out of school yet. But I am here for a summer job. So that's why everything looks different of where I am. But yeah. So now you guys know your girl cannot go without bronzer. We don't want anybody thinking I'm looking like a ghost today. I'm trying to make this like as natural but like put together as possible. Just putting on a little bit of blush. I'm sorry if I'm crazy looking at the viewfinder today, guys. Like, I'm using it kind of as my mirror. It's really bad. Since I'm lazy, I'm going to be using the same exact brush and I'm literally just like gonna put it together and I'm gonna highlight my face. We just want to look glowy today and fresh. And I made my breakfast the night before, so I'll show you guys what I'm gonna eat for breakfast. But at least I didn't wake up late. Like, that was my worst fear. I'm like, if I wake up late, that will be like the end of me. I don't know. Especially because I am in a new city and like I'm literally here for the job. It's like extra important that I like give this like 110% because then, or else it's like, why am I here? You know what I mean? Guys, I think my brow pencil's out. Guys, that's, oh, I found it. Okay. It was like way at the bottom. Okay. Now you guys know I'm from Michigan and I just moved to Ohio, and I didn't realize how different the weather was here. Everybody was saying like, oh, it's the Midwest, it's the same. I left Michigan at 45 degrees, and when I got to my apartment here, it was literally 87 degrees. 87 degrees, guys. So I don't know who thought that Ohio and Michigan had the same weather, but it is a lot hotter here, and I'm not complaining at all, since I left in freezing cold weather. And to finish it off, I'm just gonna do some brow gel through my brows. Like that. For my hair, I wanna like split it up down the middle, like that. And I got my wand on the plug, I don't know, on the plug. And I'm gonna just wand my hair, if that's what you call it. It's really hard to do this side of my head and like face this way at the same time, so I'm just not gonna do that. I'm gonna real quick map to my work so that I know if I'm doing good on time or not, which I probably am not doing good on time. I love looking at like the maps to see like, because sometimes during traffic, you know, it'll update. If you guys hear banging, it's just like the wire, the cord, sorry. But sometimes I'll check like, you know, just to see like how far it is, because sometimes it's like, it'll be like a 15-minute drive when I wake up, and then like I'll look back on my phone and it'll be like, oh, it's now a 40-minute drive, and I'm like, oh, okay. Oops, I just swore, sorry. So I'm just gonna spray my hair and then we're good to go. And I'm gonna put on some lipstick too, but it's not in here, so I might just don't do that off camera. Okay. So this is my outfit. I have this red wraparound top. I had this in my spring clothing haul, and then these white jeans from Lily Pulitzer and these brown sandals. As I said, I made my breakfast the night before. I have a protein pancake in there. I'm just gonna heat it up. There's the protein pancake, and I'm just gonna put some of this creamy natural peanut butter right on top. Lighting in here in this room is super terrible. All I have is that window, and I have this the lamp over there. My camera refuses to focus today. Yeah, it's like in the corner, so sorry about that if you guys can't really see my outfit, but you guys get the gist. Yeah, I'm gonna go to my first day of work, and I'll talk to you guys when I get back. Hey guys, so I just had my first day at work. It was super awesome. My first fashion internship ever, if I didn't say that in the beginning of the video. So I'm so excited to just be in like the industry that I want right now. I'm in a merchandising, planning, and allocation. So yeah, if you're interested in that stuff, that's what I'm doing at my job. So yeah, I'm gonna make myself some dinner. I wore this red top. This is like the worst lighting ever over here, but I wore this red top. I got this in my last spring clothing haul. I'm gonna make myself some dinner. I'll give you guys like a little tour of my place. It's a mess. Actually, should I even be doing this? I'm just not focusing on the mess. So I have like a little living room, like a box of stuff that I haven't unpacked. I literally moved in 2 days ago, guys, so please do not judge me for the mess. Didn't turn on my kitchen light, but here is like my kitchen. Super small. I literally let that alarm go off yesterday because I made a protein pancake on the stove and I forgot to turn on the fan because I'm not used to being in like a small place, so yeah, I didn't know I had to do that. And then if we go in here, this is my room if I haven't showed you guys already. And I have like a little makeup thing there. I have a little side table with Detroit. Thank God, but I'm not in Detroit right now. You guys know that. And then I have a really messy table right here. And then I keep my ring light in the corner. And I have my little closet. Sorry, there's my bra right there. Okay. And then here is my bathroom. Figured I'd just give you guys like a little mini tour. Oh, bam! Bam! Okay, so yeah, there's a bathroom. I bought that little shelf. Actually, my parents did. I didn't want to lie. And then I'm having a major big problem because my bathtub isn't draining. So somebody from maintenance is supposed to be here in like, literally like 20 minutes. They better be here in like 20 minutes because I can't really handle that. So yeah, that was really it for my day. I'm sorry if my video in the beginning was super monotone, but let's take a look at the foundation from this morning. Guys, it actually held up pretty well. So yeah, the foundation was like the LA Pro Girl concealer or whatever. I wore that this morning. I could show you guys it, but I really like it. I definitely would not use it if I had oily skin, so just keep that in mind. But it's this one right here. There's LA Pro. I know they have it in matte. It's LA Girl Pro Coverage High Definition Foundation. So I really liked it actually. So if you have like normal to dry skin, I think it might hold up pretty well. But I'm gonna still wear it for a couple days. It's just kind of like my first impression of it. But yeah, so that's it for today for me, guys. I think. Maybe I'll I'll open the camera up again. But yeah, so I have to figure out my whole setup here because let's face it, the lighting here sucks. There's literally, like guys, look at my apartment. Okay, so there's that lamp there that I put there. It's on, so you can't see it, but there's no light unless it's in the kitchen. Like that's the only light. There's not even a light when you come into the apartment. It really sucks. There's that fire alarm I set off last night. It's not gonna focus on it, but okay, that's it for right now. I don't know if I'm gonna still vlog today, but I'll see you guys maybe later. Okay, so for dinner I'm making some chicken. I'm gonna meal prep some chicken, and then over here I have some rice chicken. It's on warm, so that is what I'm eating for dinner today. Now the maintenance guy, well, he's been in and out because, as I said before, my drain is clogged, and yeah, literally moved in 2 days ago, and the first minute I get here I realized the drain is clogged, so great. Okay, I'm gonna talk to you guys later, but I don't really know if I have anything more interesting to talk to you guys about, but I just figured I'd keep vlogging and learn how to vlog, and I could be done at it one day. Yes, sir! Okay, so super basic, this is my dinner, and then I packed my lunch for tomorrow. It's just the same thing. I really don't like to meal prep like so many days ahead because, you know, the food just gets like old tasting, so I try to do like only like 1 or 2 days ahead of time when it comes to meal prep. But yeah, that is what I'm gonna eat for dinner, and then I'm probably just gonna be editing the rest of the night and stuff, so I figured this is a good time to sign off. So I'll see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Please leave me some feedback down below on whether you liked this style of video, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Okay, bye guys.